Let's see how we can use the distributive property. What can we do here? We know that 5 multiplied by 10 equals 50 and 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20. But what we need to do is fill in where the question mark is here. We've got an equation that says 5 multiplied by 14 equals 5 multiplied by 10 plus something. Well, let's have a look. 10 and 4 makes 14. So should that be 10 plus 4? Well, that's what we've been working on, isn't it? But why don't we just prove that that's the case? Let's look at what 5 multiplied by 10 looks like, and 5 multiplied by 4. That's what that looks like, the second shape. Now, what if we think of that as 5 multiplied by 10 plus 4, and write it that way? So 5 multiplied by 10 plus 4, because remember, when we look at it all in one piece, it actually is 5 rows of 10 plus 4. So let's make it all one colour. We've got 5 rows of 10 plus 4, 5 rows of 14. So guess what? 5 rows of 10 plus 4 actually is the same as 5 rows of 14. So you can see we've got the original problem down the bottom. And that means we can replace the question mark with a 4. 5 multiplied by 14 equals 5 multiplied by 10 plus 4. Provided the two numbers inside the bracket add up to 14, then it's correct. So now we can solve 5 multiplied by 14, once we know that. 5 10s are 50 and 5 4s are 20. We already had that information. So 5 times 14 is the same as 5 times 10 plus 4. We just proved that. And if we look at that separately, remember we can actually solve that as 5 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 4. So we can actually distribute the two numbers in the brackets separately and multiply them each by 5. So 5 multiplied by 14 is the same as 5 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 4. And guess what? We know those. That's 50. And 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. And altogether we get 70. So 5 multiplied by 14 equals 70. Let's solve some more, like this one. If we've got 7 multiplied by 13, imagine what 13 is made up of. One of the ways we can make 13 is 10 plus 3. And we've got a diagram here showing 10 squares and 3 squares, but we want 7 of them. So even though 13 equals 10 plus 3, we're going to look at 7 lots of them. So we've got 7 lots of 10 plus 3. But you can see from the diagram, it's the same as 7 multiplied by 10, the first part, and 7 multiplied by 3, the second part. So 7 multiplied by 10 is 70, and 7 3s are 21. So 7 multiplied by 13, it's now not so tricky, it's 91. And that's much easier than trying to work your 13 times tables. So if you had 7 times 14, you could break that into 7 times 10 plus 7 times 4. Rightio, what about these ones? Which one of these is true? Is 9 multiplied by 24 the same as 9 multiplied by 6 plus 9 multiplied by 4? Well, let's have a look. We've got 9 multiplied by, well, we're saying 6 plus 4. So let's have a look at what 6 plus 4 would look like. There we go. We've got 6 squares and 4 squares. If we had 9 of those, would that be the same as 9 multiplied by 24? No, because 6 squares and 4 squares is only 10 squares. So remember, the two numbers have to add up to the number we're multiplying by, which is 24. So let's look at the next one. 9 multiplied by 24. Okay, let's check 9 multiplied by 20 and 9 multiplied by 4. So we've got 20 squares and 4 squares. And you can see the great big long part is 20 squares. Well, I hope it is. Maybe you can check it for me. And then the second part is 4 squares. So that would make sense, wouldn't it? Because 9 of those would mean 9 of 20 plus 4, which is 9 multiplied by 24. So there we go. 20 plus 4 equals 24. So that statement is true.